Bakerworks. Hi guys, today we will teach you how to make Pandesal. Pandesal is a popular yeast-raised bread in the Philippines. Individual loaves are shaped by rolling the dough into long logs, baston, Spanish foot stick, which are rolled in fine breadcrumbs. These are then portioned, allowed to rise, and baked. It is most commonly served hot and may be eaten as is, or dipped in coffee, hot chocolate, or milk. It can also be complemented with butter, margarine, cheese, jam, peanut butter, chocolate spread, or other fillings like eggs, sardines and meat. Its taste and texture closely resemble those of the Puerto Rican bread, pan de agua, French baguette, and Mexican bolalos. Contrary to its name, Pandesal tastes slightly sweet rather than salty. Most bakeries bake Pandesal in the morning for breakfast consumption, though some bake Pandesal the whole day. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups bread flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 5 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/4 cup fresh milk lukewarm, 1 pouch rapid rise yeast, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Here are the instructions. Combine the yeast, sugar, and milk and stir until the yeast and sugar are fully dissolved. I've chosen milk instead of water because it just tastes better, but you can always use lukewarm water instead of the milk. In the mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder, then mix well. Add the egg, butter, cooking oil, and yeast sugar milk mixture in the mixing bowl with the dry ingredients, then mix again until dough is formed. You can use your hands to effectively mix the ingredients. On a flat surface, knead the dough until the texture becomes fine. Mold the dough and put back in the mixing bowl, cover with damp cloth and let the dough rise for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. After the dough has risen, transfer to a lightly floured working surface. Roll into a log, then cut into 4 to 6 equal pieces. Take another portion of the dough, roll again into a log and cut into equal pieces. Repeat this step until all the dough is done. Roll each piece of dough in bread crumbs, then arrange on a baking tray for at least an inch apart. You don't want it sticking together when it rises later on. Leave the dough in the tray to rise again for 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. If using a fan-assisted oven, reduce the heat according to the instructor's manual. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until nicely browned outside. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.